Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add and manage multiple Instagram accounts. I was juggling a couple of Instagram accounts the other day, one personal, one for work, and switching between them feel like a hassle until I realized how easy it is to add another account. I open Instagram, tap my profile in the bottom right corner, and then tap my username at the top. That instantly brought up the account switcher where I could tap add Instagram account. From there, I just log into the second account and it was added right away. Another way I've used is going through the menu, three lines at the top, opening settings and activity, then heading into the account center and tapping add account. Once you've added multiple accounts, switching between them is super quick. You just tap your profile name and pick the one you want. Honestly, it feels like having multiple profiles in one app without constantly logging in and out, which makes managing different accounts way less stressful. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.